Yo, it's good, y'all niggas. Back with another video. I know it's been a while. It's been a while since I've recorded. Like fucking few months. You see, I just had a lot of shit to do and shit like that. And promise. Oh shit. And I promise to fucking now upload more frequently like I used to. So today's topic. Hold on. So as I was saying, today we're gonna be talking about how to achieve your goals, how to achieve any sort of your goals. Yeah. So why? See, recently this week, right? I finally achieved a childhood dream of mine. I achieved a childhood dream of mine, and this childhood dream has been with me. It's been with me for a while now, and this dream is becoming a monitor or a prefect, a leader in a school, right? So this year, Form 4 in Africa. I don't know how that's in America or some shit like that. So like, you see, it's kind of like finally like good. I've finally been recognized as a fucking leader, bro. It's like fuck yeah, shit, finally, right? Feels good, but then at the same time, it's like that's it. Like fuck it, that's it. Like, is that it? Because bear in mind, I'm trying with the power that I get. I'm trying to apply the laws of power and the laws of human nature together, so I can see. Because if the laws work, because they do make sense. I ain't gonna lie about that. They make sense. But if they do work, it's like I can come back on YouTube and say, guys, fucking read this book and then apply the shit. You know what I mean? So like, how to fucking achieve the goals. You know what I mean? Usually for me, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did, to achieve this. Was usually this year. I'm gonna start from this year, cause like yeah, this year I just told everyone like ever since from last year, people knew I wanted to become a prefect. And then this year, I'm like, you know what, man, fuck that. I'm gonna become a prefect. I told people straight up like that. I'm like, yo, niggas, I'm gonna become a prefect. People thought I was lying. People thought I was not a bitch. People thought I was lying. People thought I was just being narcissistic as usual. I'm like, now I told them like, listen, just know that it's gonna be me in that special shirt. It's gonna be me in that special shirt doing what I know I can do. Because it's different when you say I wanna become a police officer, but you have never ran in your whole fucking life. That's a different situation. But then if you can prove to your own self that say yes, I can be a prefect. Like why? Well, for starters, I'm a fucking leader. I took control of my own life, so I know how to fucking check people and lead people into shit. Two, it's me. Okay, now that's a bad reason. Two, with similar retention, right? With similar retention, I got all this energy and I'm in sync with the nature, with the world, with Earth, with planet Earth. So naturally, good shit comes to me. Naturally, that's how it's supposed to happen. Good shit gravitates to me and shit like that. And yeah, so like, I think that's it. You gotta like grind for it. You know what I mean? You gotta grind for it. Grind for it. I cannot emphasize what I. Sure, yes. Fuck the fucking prefect. I didn't even grind that hard because, like, after all, hold on, shit. Because after all, right? After all, all I did was fucking campaign. Send a few teachers, let's say. So I'm like, hold on, right? Yo, so could you vote for me here? Like, oh yeah, of course. Okay, of course, yeah. Because I'm a very good student academically and also fucking socially I'm a very good, especially with senior retention. Because look, with senior retention, I don't know what it is, but I feel like all the female teachers that know me or taught me or are currently teaching me now, they like me for some reason. Man. I think it's because of apparently because they're old people. These guys are like old people, right? They're like fucking 30 to 40 years old, right? Middle aged, right? So like that energy that I have is like kind of like I'm assuming it brings them to the fucking where you say fucking It brings them to that fucking youth back then. It reminds them of that youth when there's so much energy and all that. Cause I'm hella energetic. You see, I go in there, I have fun. I say slick shit and I get away with it. Cause it's me. I mean, especially females, like female teachers, though. I just say slick shit. They don't really do shit. Cause if you compare me and someone else that's on similar potential, or just me and someone else, if we see the same thing, we'll have the female teachers will have different reactions to both of us. We'll have, for me, they'll ignore it. Either A, they ignore it, or they play into the what I just said. Like for example, uh, this teacher like always keeps on singling me out, it's like some of those like light jabs, like jab, and I would check teachers, like I do check teachers, but it's like kind of you can tell it's like kind of disrespect. It's kind of like playful jabbing, like like with your homies you make jokes at each other's expenses. That's why it is like for example, she can be teaching us how to do a fucking graph, how to draw a graph. And she's like, okay, do not use a thick pencil, do not use a drawing pencil. Then she would single me out like Sean, like fuck, like what the fuck? It's like, yeah, I know you playing, but like, come on, what the fuck? It's like you see, she singles me out. It's like kind of like a playing thing, like you know what I mean? It's kind of like I couldn't really explain it because it's just how it is. You have to be there to see it, and yeah, just gotta fucking be on semen retention because I cannot stress this a lot. Like semen retention, if you achieve your goals, you need semen retention because the extra energy to fucking grind and that you being in sync with the world, that automatically puts you on a good side with the earth right there. But do not, and I repeat, you need to be on semen retention, not for the money, not for the women. You just gotta say, hey, I want to be on semen retention because it is not natural. That's what I believe. Because I want semen retention because I like fuck. Just like last year, I think, yeah. I was like, nah, shit, Sean. You know what? You gotta stop fapping. You gotta stop masturbating. Simply because it was fucking up my confidence. That's it. Like legit, that's it. I said, no, nah, this shit. I remember after my post not clarity. It's like I was thinking like, Sean, nah, you gotta stop fapping, bro. This shit it's not helping you whatsoever. And I just stopped. And then I relapsed in December after like 6 months. And then so far so good. The number of days in this year is the number of days I've retained. So I've been going hard. I've been going strong. So this is what I want y'all niggas to do. Get on semen retention. Wait a few. You guys start as fast as hard as you can. You gotta grind as hard as you can. You gotta do everything. You know what I mean? Because I have a business right now. I'm starting a business. It's a tutoring business called the Grind Center. Good shit. It's in the development stage. I send my shit to create a flyer. So when the flyer comes in, I'll make a video about how I start a business and what I'm doing. And then we'll see what happens and shit like that. And yeah, I should be making some sim retention videos. I'll probably make a few on what I do, how sim retention has helped me do some shit like that. Yeah. And to be honest, man, you gotta just try sim retention. And I'm probably gonna make a book. Cause listen, last year I made 2 books with the website I had created. 2 books. Or 3, I'm not sure. Self-improvement, I remember the masculinity, self-improvement, and I'm not sure what the other one is. But I remember I made 2 or 3 books that I had created and I posted on the website. I'm gonna try and revive that website, and then we can actually start using the shit, right? So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, holler back at your boy, hit the new Instagram. I got a new Instagram. Yeah, I got a new Instagram. I'll put on in the link description. Shit, follow me on some shit, bro. Come on. And yeah, subscribe. Share this video for some niggas that got their goals that they're trying to get, and you know what I mean? So yeah, holler back at your boy. And never stop fucking grinding. Semen retention gang out. Shit.